The DSK Group is a stellar example of the spectacular capability of a Maharashtrian, the Himalayan heights he can scale when he steps into the world of business. DSK, who sold berries and vegetables at the tender age of 8, showed his flair for business at 20 by launching his first venture, Telesmell. This business idea was a truly pioneering one anywhere in the world, to give users a pleasant aroma as they spoke on the phone. He did this by placing an antiseptic perfume strip inside the telephone. He took up various contracts from house painting and furniture to plumbing and even waterproofing. And a thought took shape in his mind. Why not build homes? This brought him into housing and development. His homes, designed with care, stood everywhere. In Pune, Mumbai, Nashik, Chennai, Coimbatore, Bangalore, and even in the United States of America. But building homes wasn't the horizon of his dream. His ambition went way beyond. And now in Pune, he is about to give shape to DSK Dream City. Today, the sectors that provide the largest employment are infrastructure and automobile. So, DSK's next step was into the automobile sector. The credit of bringing the world-renowned Toyota into India goes to DSK, and his next generation is taking the business towards greater success. Shirish has not only brought the Korean bike Hyosung into India, but also began production in Maharashtra. He also brought the Italian superbike Benelli into India, and today the brand DSK Benelli is roaring and soaring not just in India, but also on the international racetracks. His wife Hemanti Kulkarni introduced a 5-year master's degree course from France right here in Pune. It teaches animation, game designing, industrial and product designing, and students are achieving spectacular success on the international scale. Quality education is the right of every Indian. With this ideology, Mrs. Hemanti started an ICSC board DSK school in Pune, where rural children too are being trained to match international standards of learning. Under the guidance of Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar, DSK invented and developed Mobilis, a device that functions on solar power. It is a multi-purpose device that also helps in reducing the weight of school bags of little children. Our Prime Minister has recently announced the Jan Dhan scheme. Our Mobilis has been doing this for 5 years. Mobilis has been doing a laudable job for farmers, Bachat Gat and small and large-scale enterprises, and has provided a source of earning to more than 3,000 individuals. DSK comes from a family of farmers, so he developed Milkotronics, an advanced robotic system for the farming populace. This robot travels from one village to another to check the water and fat content in milk. He also evaluates its cost. If the farmer owes any money, he deducts that amount and pays the balance to the farmer via bank transfer on the spot. The animation series Sabrina, a DSK Entertainment production, is drawing great TRP in Hollywood. Sabrina has made a stunning impact by grabbing the Emmy Awards, the TV equivalent of the Oscar. By starting Green Ice Games, his daughter-in-law Tanvi has stepped into the gigantic market of game designing. DSK Travel Corporation is going all over the globe in the world of tourism. Shirish formed the football club DSK Shivajians and beckoned the sporting talent of the young generation. To improve their game, he invited the famous Liverpool club from England to Pune, and currently they are training our boys in the skills of international football. DSK Power, a 100 megawatt solar project, is being erected in Neemuch, Madhya Pradesh. DSK believes that he owes his success to society, has undertaken various social initiatives for the betterment of society. The massive amount of work done by DSK Group was bound to be acknowledged on the national and international scale, and the accolades that are showered are only natural. The DSK Group, toils for motives beyond financial gains to attain outstanding heights in the business sector for the sake of our youth, our society, and our nation.